From Manila, I flew to Hong Kong to watch Coldplay's Music of the Spheres concert in day 3. This is my first international concert abroad, so allow me to share with you my experience at the newly built Kai Tak Stadium. Good morning! It's the day of the concert, but before going to the venue, kasi umaga pa naman, so dadaan muna kami sa Nanlian Garden and then we'll meet our friend here for lunch and then we'll go to the concert venue. Okay, so nandito kami ngayon sa Nanlian Garden. This is my second time here. I was here with my brother in 2023, but during that time, one portion was closed for renovation. So hopefully, it's already done para naman makita natin this time. Okay, so this area was closed in 2023. So now it's open. There's a pagoda. So let's check it. The Nanlian Garden is just walking distance from the Diamond Hill station. It's a good place to visit, to relax, and to take photos. Anyway, it's still early, so still cleaning it and you can't access it. So we'll just go back later. Okay, so this is Nanlian Garden. It's worth visiting when you are in Hong Kong, whether as a first-time traveler or subsequent travelers. We're now going to our friend's house for lunch, and then later we'll go to Kai Tak Stadium for the concert. It's interesting to see that Hong Kong still uses bamboo for scaffolding, even in high rise buildings. This is our friend's place, which is located near Quarry Bay and North Point, which was also near our hotel. We had a hearty lunch at their beautiful place that we almost lost track of time. Okay guys, so we're off to Kai Tak Stadium for the Coldplay concert. Dahil medyo napahaba yung chikahan namin with our friend, so medyo gahol na kami sa oras. So we'll take the ferry from North Point to Kowloon because it's the fastest route. Ayan, so you can also take the ferry from Hong Ham, which is in North Point, to Kowloon City. Ayan, so wala to sa plano na mag-ferry, pero we check Google kasi this is the fastest route kaysa naman mag-MTR or bus na 53 minutes, ito 27 minutes lang. But we're going to wait for about 15 minutes pa before the ferry departs. Ang maganda dito sa Hong Kong, very reliable yung public transportation. So normally, we will never consider riding a ferry to go to a venue. Pero yun nga, sabi ni Google, yun yung pinakamabilis. And true enough, on time sila, oh. Nakapila na kami. Nice. Ayan, so second floor to ng ferry. Marami ding passengers. Okay, so this is the ferry from North Point to Kowloon City. Ayan, very reliable talaga yung public transportation dito sa Hong Kong. Hopefully, ganun din sa atin sa Pilipinas. So that's North Point. And we're going to Kowloon. Nakikita na yung stadium dito. Eh, sa likod nung ship, yan na yung Kai Tak Stadium. Diba? We're here na sa Kowloon Port. Actually, it's about 12 minutes only yung biyahe mismo from North Point Port to North Point Pier to Kowloon City Pier. So, talagang magandang option siya. Ayan. So, nakababa na kami sa Sun Ferry. Ang bilis lang, 12 minutes from North Point to here. From the Kowloon City Pier, we'll just walk to Kai Tak Sports Park and to the stadium. Nakikita naman yung stadium dito, pero syempre malaki siya. So, nasa 10 minutes din yung lakad nyo. 10 to 15 minutes. Actually, after nung paglabas nyo ng ferry, pier, meron ng ano, parang may ginagawang gate doon. So, pero under construction pa. So, pag nagawa yun, as in, ang bilis lang ng entrance ng Kaitak Sports Park to from Kowloon City Pier. So, ito yung main entrance pala ng Kaitak Sports Park. And so, bumalik kami kasi yung gate daw namin, o doon nandun na, ang daanan dito sa taas ng bridge. Eh, yung bridge, walang paakyat. So, maglalakad pa kami ng malayo, tapos babalik din. So, yun lang yung, siguro, for improvement nila. Ito kasi yung bridge na sinasabi. So, yan, papunta kami dyan. Pero yung stadium doon, so parang mapapalayo ka pa. Kasi doon walang paakyat. Diba? So, naglalakad kami papunta ng bridge. Papasok pa lang kami. So, ito na yung dinaanan ko kahapon, itong Kaitax Youth Sports Ground. So, kailangan talagang umikot. So, nandito na kami sa Kaitax Stadium. Pupunta lang kami sa gate namin, Gate H. Na-check ko na to kahapon. So, alam ko na kung saan kami papasok. Ayan, we're almost there after 10 minutes of walking. That's the Kaitax Stadium na. So, ito na yung dinaanan ko kahapon, itong Kaitax Youth Sports Ground. So, kailangan talagang umikot. Mukhang malapit na, pero malayo pa yan. Kasi yung Gate H nandun sa likod niyan, yung pinuntahan ko kahapon. Ayan. So, kung manonood kayo ng concert sa malalaking venue, dapat talaga maaga kayo kasi kahit na nandiyan na sa harap nyo, yung lalakaran nyo, mahaba-haba pa rin. So, security, check. Check nyo lang yung bags nyo. Pwede rin kayong bumili ng official Coldplay merchandise dito. Okay, so papasok na kami sa gate namin. Ayan, so H. So, ayan, binigyan na kami ng wristband, tapos yung parang goggles na gamitin natin. Kasi centralized yan eh, yung lights mamaya. Okay, so newly open lang tong Kaitak Stadium. So, bagong-bago siya. Yung first big event dito, yung Hong Kong Sevens, yun yung rugby. So, ito yung first major concert dito. So, pwede rin naman kayong bumili ng food and drinks dito. So, nakita na namin yung seat namin. Bibili muna kami ng makakain later. Ito yung view dun sa loob ng stadium. Nandiang area yung Kowloon City Pier. Maganda dito sa Kaitak Stadium, merong free water. Kung hindi pa halata, first international concert experience ko to. Well, I've watched naman international bands sa Pilipinas, sa ibang bansa, first time kong manood ng concert. So, excited. And of course, it's Coldplay. Sold out talaga yung ticket. Hashtag Stinger. Buti nga, swertihan ko yung cloak. Actually, sa labas ng stadium kanina, merong foreigner na may sign siya na wanted, needed tickets. So, willing siya to buy on site. Ayan. Okay. Actually, nilibre ko yung sister ko sa concert na to. Kahit yun naman kasama ko. Kahit yun. So, ito na yung loob ng stadium. So, 50,000 yung capacity nitong stadium. Hindi pa nagsa-start. Pwede siyang i-open ito. Okay, so just waiting for the concert.
time we're going to play the best concert we ever played. I think that's what we're going to do. Everybody says, well, the crowd in Hong Kong, they're a little bit quiet, and I think, no, that's bullshit. I think the crowd in Hong Kong is very loud, like this, you see. Welcome to you. Hey, come on. All right. Okay. Okay. Right. Thank you. Are you guys together? Yes. Okay. Fans up there, and all your fans back here. Still, I call it magic when I'm next to you. And I don't, and I don't, and I don't, and I don't. No, I don't, it's true, I don't. No, I don't, no, I don't, no, I don't want anybody else but you. I don't, no, I don't, no, I don't, no, I don't. No, I don't, it's true, I don't. No, I don't, no, I don't, no, I don't want anybody else but you. Said that we can't be together because we come from different sides.
This is the stadium, Kai Tak Stadium. Nakatapos lang ng concert. So yan, syempre babalik natin yung ating wristband. Kakatapos lang ng concert ng Coldplay for third night dito sa Hong Kong. And I'm very very happy na nakabook ako nito. Kasi gusto ko talagang manood ng Coldplay concert. I tried booking sa Philippines, sa Singapore, and Thailand nung nag-concert sila last year. So I thought tapos na ang Asian leg nila. So I was really happy when I learned na meron pa sa Hong Kong and then meron pa rin pala sa Seoul. But I only know about Hong Kong. And then nung nag-open nga sa Klook, gabi yon, parang kasi late ako matulog. Tapos sabi ko, shucks, bukas yung yung booking period. So talagang nag-abang ako. And thankfully, nakakuha ako ng ticket. So dalawa yon, minimum of 2 kasi yung kailangan bilhin. So I brought my sister with me. Actually, sa bahay, pinapili ko sila kung sino yung gustong pumunta. It's either my brother or my sister. Ayan. So, worth it. Worth ang pagpunta sa Hong Kong. Really happy. Nag-enjoy kami. Thanks for watching this vlog and sharing my concert experience. In the next episode, join me again as I visit the old and new Macau. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like this video.